Dr. K. Sudhakar, a recently elected Chikbalapur BJP Lok Sabha member, hosted a Thanksgiving gathering for BJP JDS members at Nilamangla on July 7th, which developed into chaos as attendees fought over free spirits. The police struggled to manage the crowd and were forced to simply watch the melee. Non-vegetarian food, beer, and packets of hard liquor were distributed during the event, which was allegedly sponsored by Nilamangla BJP President Jagdish Chaudhary. An eyewitness said that some people had passed out at the venue. Event organizers expected 10,000 to 15,000 people, but around 60,000 people showed up. A police officer said that despite expected number, it was difficult to control the crowd. He said that in the future, Excise Department should not issue licenses for such public events. Assembly Opposition Leader R. Ashoka, former MLA Nagaraju, and former MLCE Krishnappa from JDS also took part in the event. Commenting on the incident, Sudhakar said that he was not aware of the distribution of liquor and he does not encourage such things. He said that the participants might have bought the liquor from somewhere and had it in the venue.
ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರೋರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು, ದಳದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ 20 ವರ್ಷದ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮದ್ಯ ಹಂಚಿ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 20 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕರಣಕ್ಕೂ ನನಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ನೋವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇರಲಿ, ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಇರಲಿ, ಸಭೆಗಳಿರಲಿ, ಮದ್ಯ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿನೇ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
Meanwhile, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dinesh Gundarao posted on X, saying one thing and doing another, believing somehow BJP leaders are busy distributing liquor while the state is dengue-stricken. Where are the BJP leaders who asked me to swim in the swimming pool when I visited Mangalore? Is this your culture?
So when they try to make fun of my swimming, which is part of my exercise routine, okay, then I think what happened in Sudhakar's function, it's a function where they're distributing liquor. And I think if BJP believes that that's the way we have to appease their supporters, then that is their thing, that's their philosophy then. Okay, so but don't make all these stupid, trivial comments.